So, again, congratulations, Justine and Jayan.
Parang madiin yung tin.
Tin.
May utang pa ba to?
Tintin. Ako yung may utang bayad ko na.
Ay, very good.
Ayan, Tin, Je, ayan. Again, congratulations. Marami na kayo narinig na advices. At lahat yun, totoo. Walang biro doon. Although biro, pero meron din doon na, ayun nga, seryoso talaga. So ito, message ko sa inyo, although meron akong mahaba rito, pero sige, aiiksian na lang natin. Ayan, though kami man ay bagong kasal din noon, bago noon, marami na din kami realizations at natutunan sa isa't isa. Aside from my prayers, of course, for both of you, I just want to share to you both my favorite verse, which is Romans 8:28. Nga ba yung...
All things.
For we know all things work together for good to them that love God and to them who are the called according to His purpose. Ayan, so... basahin nyo na lang ulit siya. But then, this verse is very true in our life, sa buhay namin as a couple din. And you will have your plans of your own, your dreams for your married life, but always remember, if it is the Lord's will, it will happen. Okay? But if not, don't be sad or don't be disappointed. Ha? Kasi mas makikita nyo na mas maganda pa pala talaga yung plano na hinanda ni Lord para sa inyo. Minsan maiisip nyo or dadating kayo sa point na mapapaisip nga kayo kung bakit ganito, bakit parang hindi naman ito yung pinag-pray ko, Lord, bakit ganito yung nangyayari. But then, just learn to trust in the Lord. Siya talaga yung bahala sa inyo. Okay? So, and also, remember, sabi nga sa verse, to them that love God. Diba? So, ayan. I know naman na dalawa kayo in the ministry and in your personal life, alam ko, faithful kayo sa Panginoon. Kaya hindi niya kayo pababayaan. So, ayun. Justine, Tin. Oy, makinig ka, Tin.
Oh, makinig ka kay ate.
Always pray for Jayan. Ha? And Je, always pray for Justine. Sinabi ko na sa ito before, di ba? Ayun. That will be the best sandata ng mag-asawa. Kasi once na hindi nyo yan ginawa, nandyan lang ang tukso na pwede nyong ikasira. Okay? So, dapat laging give and take kayo, ha? At always tulungan sa lahat ng bagay. Again, congratulations, Tin and Jayan.
Ayan. Thank you, DJ Chacha. Kala ko nakikinig ako sa radyo eh. Thank you, Ate Kate. And lastly, ayan, from Ate Belle. Ayan. So ito